Two enemies or two friendlies?
Friendlies. We had a passing at F32. Lunchbox, are you at the mosque or are you at that bunker you were at before? I'm back at M32. Roger. Alright, hold up. Pushing out of the maze, come up in the northern parking area. Guy from the 2W down to the way, not too much fire. Side of the trail.
Hey, they're pushing the road really hard on us.
Then you got three of us right here in the middle.
We can't even
Where are they?
stand up to shoot. We got heavy fire on us.
Hey, how many got on roadside?
We're both put down. We can't even stand up to shoot.
You got Clayton moving through the middle in the maze. Clayton in the middle going through the maze. Dang.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go get on one, dude.
All right, I'm gonna switch this flag real quick.
You know, if you panic, you see somebody and
Yeah, you fire.
You put your gun up and you fire. You shoot me, even if you accidentally shoot me at less than 10 feet, I don't take offense. That's part of the game. You know, if you don't want to get shot, then you shouldn't.
Exactly. That's the one thing I agree with paintball with. Because paintball, you know,
Yeah.
they'll do that.
Boy, you guys you're just whipping our ass.
I'm going to get N1. You stay here. I'm going to go get N1. Sneak right up behind him. I'm just going to take off. Bang, bang. Friendly, tan! Tan and N1! Bang, bang. Tan and N1! Tan, move up! Hit! Shit. Tan team, I'm coming back through the maze. So keep your eyes open. Good job.
I'm gonna throw the bed.
My video camera?
Yeah.
I watch your videos, it's pretty good.
Do we still have N1? Is that near the confirmed location of their secondary spawn point?
I'm still holding an N1. I'm putting the bomb up.
Yeah, I can bring the bomb up if you guys want to the roadside near N1.
Yeah, I'll absolutely do that. Okay, take one of those two with you.
Yeah, come roadside. You got 3 guys on roadside. They're the tire bumpers.
Try that. Have one of those guys hang out up here just in case. Push up to that tan van and get a look-see around there and try and get rid of that. I see one behind the tan van. I haven't seen anybody respawning.
What's that?
Around there in a while. I think they know they were close enough to...
Or I'm like kind of adjacent to the road, not like right up the road.
Going back to the original base, trying to throw us off the trail. One guy just holding there. I think he's waiting for reinforcement. Hey, Lunchbox, do you know if there's anybody in the maze? I believe one guy in the maze.
You got 1 guy behind the yellow bus.
You guys can
Things moving
right
up by
straight
the
up through
Q-band.
the
I do
N1.
not see anyone in the
One
maze.
guy over at the mosque, one guy behind the tan van.
And where's their spawn?
We believe it's behind the tan van, somewhere over there. We've been up to this side of it, but we haven't been able to break around it yet. So we need to make a big 3, 4, 5 man look and get it done. And that's huge for us.
Okay.
Road team, tall guy, +1, moving up to N1 with the bomb. I'm in the maze. Right ahead, I'm 30.
Copy. We are taking fire on the road, but nothing serious as of yet. Just lost Dan. Everyone is down.
Station, we need that.
Yeah, I'm gonna fall back with this bomb. Stay in my fucking head. What's up?
I believe there's one in the mosque.
guys in that. Come on.
Pete and I are near the mosque. Where are the enemies?
Move us on one. Not on one. Inside M1.
Charlie just got taken out on the road.
Oh, sorry, dude. I was trying for your back. The hop up was cranked up. That was my bad.
Have the bright green shirt on. M16 on the road.
Check your hop up, dude. Your BBs are flying way up. Your BBs are flying way over my head. They're curving right up.
Tire bunkers,
I'm at the mosque right now. There's a guy behind the cube van.
yeah. Brian and I are in the center of the traffic park. Right behind the blue truck. One behind the KWA bunker too, unless he moves up to the blue pickup truck. Move up and get behind N1. Behind the blue pickup truck, definitely saw another one make a move. He's behind the blue pickup truck. The guy from behind the cube van, behind the blue pickup.
All right, if you're behind the blue pickup, make a move. I'm gonna just shoot it. He's looking at me right now. He's shooting at me right now.
Negative. There is a guy behind the cube van and behind the blue pickup.
Oh.
One by the tire bunker.
We got 3 or 4 guys moving up the road right now.
Yeah, 4 by the tire bunker. They're sitting back there. Yeah, those road guys moving up, push 2 up the road and push 2 into the center of town. And we really don't have anybody in the center of town and along